What is Zen Buddhism? Stop overthinking.
Koans,
Start
the
seeing.
sound of one hand.
Imagine a life where your mind
speak
feels like a
in
still
riddles?
pond. Thoughts ripple, but don't capsize you. In this video, we go beyond buzzwords to the heart of Zen. You'll meet a master and student on a snow-capped ridge, learn why koans break mental habits, and see how non-clinging becomes real help in love, work, and grief. If you're tired of thinking about peace and ready to feel it, sit with us.
Master, what is Zen Buddhism? I've come to learn. First, look. The way isn't hard. Drop your preferences.
Is Zen a belief or something I must do?
It's seeing. Study the self, forget the self, then all things shine.
And koans, the sound of one hand. Why speak in riddles? Koans undo habits. Grip truth, it melts. Open, and it lands.
I'm tangled inside. I fear I'm not ready.
Before Zen, mountains are mountains. During, they're not. After, mountains again.
How do I start?
Sit, breathe, notice. Hungry, eat. Tired, sleep. Meet what is.
Does emptiness mean nothing?
Emptiness means interbeing. Clay, rain, fire, hands, hunger, meeting here.
How does Zen help with pain?
Feel all of it, without clinging. Bow to joy and grief. Let them pass.
Come. Sit like a mountain meets wind, without argument.
Zen is intimacy with reality. Closer than thought. Simple as breath.
From India to China to Japan. Chan becomes Zen. Practice carries it. Zazen, sit upright, breathe naturally. Let awareness rest without chasing.
We aren't statues. We stop wrestling with what already is.
Koans interrupt grasping. Linji, meet no idol, not even Buddha.
Words point. Practice shows. Trust the showing more.
First pillar, direct experience. Taste tea, feel cold, hear this bell.
Second, non-clinging. Feel everything, fasten to nothing.
Third, compassion. Insight is unfinished until it helps a being.
Emptiness means interbeing. Nothing stands alone. Not even you.
Practice meets fear, joy, grief, bows, and lets each weather pass.
Do not chase experiences. Chop wood, carry water, be here.
3 moves, 3 breaths, name and bow, 1 kind act.
Meaning is enacted by presence. Success is depth, not display.
Walk gently, help beings. Let mountains be mountains. This is Zen.
What is Zen Buddhism clearly? Zen is a school of Mahayana Buddhism that emphasizes direct experience over doctrine. Its practice is deceptively simple. Sit down, Zazen, return to breath or open awareness, see thoughts and feelings arise and pass, and then bring the same clarity into action. Koans, paradoxes like the sound of one hand, are used to puncture habitual thinking so experience can be direct, not filtered. 3 concepts anchor the view. 1. No fixed self, anatta. The I is a moving process, not a solid center. Seeing this loosens defensiveness. You can respond instead of react. 2. Impermanence, anicca. Everything changes. When you stop demanding that life holds still, you can love it as it is. Loss remains painful, but becomes workable. 3. Interdependence, shunyata as lived. Nothing stands alone. This turns insight into compassion. Your well-being and mine are braided. Helping you is not separate from helping me. How does this help with modern chaos? Consider 4 common knots. 1. Overthinking and anxiety. Modern life invites constant rumination. Zen's answer is practical. Sit. 10 minutes of Zazen a day, spine tall, breath natural, tension resting, trains you to notice when a thought loop begins. You label it thinking and return. This is not suppression, it's recognition. Like watching snow fall without trying to command the sky, you let the mind's weather move. The nervous system learns safety and stillness. Over time, you get back the freedom to choose one clear action instead of 1,000-fold worry. Perfectionism. A report, a canvas, a relationship. We wait to act until we can guarantee perfect results. Zen flips the light. There is no perfect, only presence. Dogen again. To study the self is to forget the self. When you shift from the self-image to the task itself, the sentence, the brushstroke, the conversation, work gets honest. You notice the next helpful move, make it, and the world quietly improves. Relationships. Zen turns love from surveillance into care. If there is no separate, fixed self, then what is lovable is the living process, the other person's becoming. Instead of testing them to soothe your fear, you support what helps them flourish. Listen fully once a day, cover a task they dread, protect their hour of music or walk. Non-clinging does not mean indifference. It means generous steadiness. Grief and change. On the ridge, snow falls and melts. Zen does not argue with seasons. Grief is not a mistake to fix. It is love learning a new form. When you sit with it, literally sit, breathing gently, the body stops bracing against the obvious, and the heart can remember without breaking itself. A simple weekly rite, a candle at dusk, one memory spoken aloud, gives sorrow a channel, not a dam. A short practice you can begin today. 3 breaths to arrive. Wherever you are, desk, train, kitchen, feel your feet, soften your dim, take 3 slow, natural breaths. Name and bow. When a strong emotion appears, name it softly. Fear, heat, sadness. Bow in your mind, you are allowed. This converts wrestling into welcoming. Then choice. One true thing, one kind act. Ask, what is one true thing here? A fact you can verify. Then, what is one kind act now? A step that eases suffering for you or another. Truth steadies, kindness moves. What about meaning? Zen suggests that meaning is not something to acquire, it's something we enact. When you attend fully, washing a bowl, answering a colleague, holding a child, life feels meaningful because you are present for it. Before enlightenment, chop wood, carry water. After enlightenment, chop wood, carry water. The transformation is not exotic, it is intimate. And success? Zen accepts achievement, it reorders it. Success becomes depth over display, solving the problem in front of you, finishing today's honest piece of work, apologizing quickly when you miss. Fame and failure become weather again, interesting but not the ground you walk on. In the end, Zen Buddhism is a training in reality as it is. Sit down, feel breath, watch thought, help the being in front of you. The old masters did not promise escape. They offered freedom inside the very tasks that fill a human day. The mountain remains cold and bright. The bell sounds. You bow and return to your life. not as an enemy to subdue, but as a field to tend. As the student in the courtyard stands to follow the master into the hall, the snow keeps falling.
The path
Nothing
is
special,
always here.
and everything, mountains
You
are
only need to
mountains
walk
again.
it.
And in that ordinariness, the mind grows quiet. If this video touched your heart, subscribe. It's inspired by the timeless wisdom in the 7-book Rumi collection by Dr. Farid Mostaman. Whether you seek healing, love, clarity, or growth, these teachings will guide you inward to the truth of who you are.